Hi, this is Kathy, and I'm gonna do a quick video on how to cut up a mango the quickest, easiest way I know how. Okay, I got the sun shining in here. I'm not sure this will work very well. Have my knife, good chef's knife, any size you want. I've got a short wine glass. This is what I prefer. Any wine glass will work. Just what you want is a thin top. You can do it with a regular glass, but it just gets harder. Okay, so I take my mango, I roll it. It will naturally fall onto its side. Turn it 45 degrees, and then you can slice on either side of the seed. So you have the seed here in the middle. I just cut off this part, and then I cut each side off. And if I'm doing a lot of them, I keep the center so I can squeeze them later. But this today, I'm just making for drinks. So do that one more time. Get the two cheeks. I cut those in half just because then they can slice easier. Cut the top off, that goes in the compost pile, and the edges. Oh, be careful, because when it's slippery, you don't want to be dealing with a knife. Okay, so once you've got that done, you take your glass, and you can take each of these pieces and just put the edge over it and roll it down. The reason I do this, some people that are good with a knife, and I think I'm pretty good with a knife, prefer to use a knife and say it's faster. I find with the knife, I have too much chance of getting some of the skin in it. So you don't want that. So you just cut this up, and then at the end, you have your bowl full of mangoes perfectly ready to eat. One side variation is if you want little cubes, you can actually just cut this up. Be careful not to cut through the skin so that it's sliced kind of like this, and then just the same thing. Put it down, and then you have like nice little pieces.